Nike Plug just hit me up that they are opening finally. Welcome everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Jay Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And we got a nice news that the Nike outlet is open. Starting off with this one, we already got a nice Air Max 2 Light QS. The color is really vibrant, and this pair of sneaker 119 minus the 20% off discount. Wow, nice. It is a really good deal for a pair of this Air Max 2. So what about this one, Air Max Up Tempo 95? This one is like the Chicago Bulls colorway, $79.99 minus 20% off discount. I like this color better than the other Air Max Up Tempo 95. Another color here, same price on this one, Air Max Up Tempo 95, and it is $79.99. Another discount with 20%. This one another colorway variants, nice color though. Next one, we got the Nike React Element 55 SE. This colorway is not bad for the price, also $59 with another 20%. Same with this triple black. Wow, $69 but has a 20% off discount. Not bad for the price on this one. It's been hyped for a little while, but now the price on this one came down a little bit, so good price also for retail. And this one, same Nike React Element 55 SE Bolt colorway. Whew, nice and vibrant, and the price $59.99 with the additional 20% off. Love it, like that one. Okay, same, another Nike React Element, and this one is $69.99. I don't know why this one is much more expensive than the other one. I don't like the color though. Another pair, we got the Mamba Focus. This colorway, the red with a little bit accent of white and black. Another pair of Nike Zoom KD12 basketball shoes. I love this colorway, the nice red and transparent outsole. This one is much more expensive, $109.99. So which one is much better? Can you leave a thumbs up if which one you like? Well, how about this LeBron SB or Super Bron? Love this colorway better than the other one. This one comes with a patent leather black and some kind of white on the top. Nice engraving, $109.99 with the additional 20% off. Well, how about the Jordan Mars 270? And we have a bunch of different colorway, and this one the price $79.99 with a 20% off with this a patent leather, some kind of colorway like those are real, but also this one comes with the black and some kind of gold accent. Hey, not bad also for this color, $79.99 additional 20. Well, which one is better, the patent leather or this one, or maybe the triple, some kind of color of black, red, blue and white? Yay. Not bad. $79.99 additional 20% off. Well, how about this best pickup of the week, $79.99 for this Air Max Tailwind. Nice color, black and or black, grayish, some kind of shark tooth or some kind or spine on that side. Wow, and the color, you can't go wrong. The price $79.99 with the 20% off. That one is a really crazy day. So it's like, wow, this is the new normal in the Nike factory store. So it takes forever. Like, wow, I got 30 pairs in one store, Nike outlet store, and takes so long to finish um, paying off and everything. Like, wow, the new rules is also some kind. It's gonna be kind of hard for a bulk buyer or a reseller, or they call us in a reseller like me, they call us in the Nike factory store or Nike outlet store the bulk buyer. It's kind of hard for a bulk buyer to get a pair of sneaker that, and there's a lot of rules. So one rule is one customer, you can only buy 30 pair of sneaker and 30 pair of clothing. That's the rule. That's the new rule from the outlet. So 30 pair total, 5 each. So let's say I have let's say I'm buying Jordan 1s, and then I can only buy 5, and then move on to another other sneaker, other shoes. So have to buy 5 total. I mean 5 each, 30 total. So this is gonna be like, wow, hard for a reseller. But this is a good thing for a new reseller, because they will only can buy that much. So it's not good for bulk buyer that who buys a lot, like more than 30, more than 50 in a day. So just like me, I buy a lot, and that anything I can have. That was before, but this new normal in the Nike factory store is kind of hard. Just like if I wanted to buy a lot, 10 pair of one sneaker, particularly, then it's gonna be hard. 2, long line. It's gonna be a long line outside, and there's gonna be long line inside when you're going to check out, because they won't let, as a bulk buyer, they won't let you bring the older stuff. Like older, what we do is like grab 10, put on the counter. That's the old what I always do. But now you have to carry the stuff you have. Like, how can you, like, if you're going around, right, looking for the stuff, and when you get the 5, put they got you a bag or not, then you have to carry with you the 5 pair, and then go around, look for another pair that you want to buy, and then you got another 5, carry the 10. Like, you have to go around the store carrying the 30 pair on your, like, how could you do that? So the good thing is I got my family with me, so they will help me out. What I did is we isolated ourselves in one place that they don't go like crisscrossing or anything. They don't go in there. So what I did is stock the while I'm looking for a pair of sneaker, put the 5 there. Okay, stay there, and then I got another 5, put another, until I got that 30 total of sneaker. And then when we gather all the 30 pair of sneaker, then go to cashier. It's gonna be hard because you cannot carry the 30 pairs on your own. It's gonna be hard because that's the usual thing before. Take 10 pairs, put on the counter, go around, look for another pair. If you find another pair that you wanna buy, grab 10, put on the count. That's the old one. The new one, carry the thing that you wanna buy. That's the new rule. Wow, how can you grab on your own a 30 pair of sneaker? And this is gonna be hard. So I think I can make a new rules on my own on that one. So I said, I could find a way. Pilipino tayo. Hey, okay. See, what I'm thinking is, I'm gonna bring me a trolley. Yep, I'm gonna bring me a troll, like, cause they didn't tell us that you cannot bring something to carry with you, cause they in the outlet they won't let you use. They don't have the bags anymore. So I see some people going around. They brought their kids with them, so they have the pushing thing that they put the kids in there. So I think I'm gonna bring my trolley next time, so I don't have to carry the 30 pair. So I'm just gonna pull it. That's gonna be a new normal for me. Another one, the new one in the while you checking out, there's a spot somewhere on the counter. Then they have to bring the stuff in there, and then the cashier will have to step back, and then when I put the boxes or the sneakers on the counter, then I have to go back also, so he can check it out, scan it and everything. And by the time it will be like, wow, this is gonna be hard also. So that's the lot of new normals in the Nike factory store. Long line outside, long line inside, new rules on how many pairs you can buy, new rules on the counter, new rules on how you pay. Even if it's gonna be the rule, then I'm gonna go back there every day or and for us, a bulk buyer, yes, it's gonna be hard, but we will find a way. And so just bring someone with you. If you are starting in investing in sneaker, this is a good time also for you, because you're gonna limit yourself and you're gonna focusing on much more profitable, which is you only buy like 5 that you knew you're gonna sell it out like a big bunch, not gonna stay, not gonna be holding for so long. So it's gonna be good for the new reseller, and it's not really good for a bulk buyer. But other than that, this is the new normal on Nike factory store. I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned something. And that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And the next video, I will be sharing you what did I got, how much profit, why did I buy them, and then what's buy cost and everything. So stay tuned for the next video. So with that being said, thank you for watching again, and if you haven't smashed that like button, please do so, and also leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Jay Nolasco here. Peace. Ingat po kayo. Bye bye.